Welcome. Thank you for choosing Photo Studio Rig for Cinema 4D and Redshift. In this tutorial, we'll guide you through the installation process. Start by unzipping the provided folder and placing it wherever you'd like on your computer. Open Cinema 4D and make your way to the Asset Browser. Inside the Asset Browser, access the Database panel. Opt for Create Category within the Asset Browser menu. When prompted, assign a suitable name to this new category. You have the choice of creating this within the default preferences database or initiating your own. For demonstration purposes, I've chosen to craft my own database. This will be situated in the Photo Studio Rig_V1 directory within the folder you've just unzipped. Regardless of your choice, this action will establish a new category within the Asset Browser panel. Proceed to select the Photo Studio Rig category. Open the Photo Studio Rig_V1 folder and drag the Photo Studio Rig_V1 into the Asset Browser. Confirm your actions, and the required assets will fill the category you've just made. Right-click on the Photo Studio scene and opt for Show Details. You'll see a preview at the screen's base. Right-click this preview, then choose Update Preview from File. Head over to the Photo Studio Rig_V1 folder, locate and access the text folder, and pick the Photo Studio Rig icon. Next, let's add the bonus HDRI files included. Highlight the Photo Studio category, right-click, and select Create Category. This forms a subcategory inside the Photo Studio browser. Name this new category HDRI. Return to the Photo Studio Rig_V1 directory, locate the complementary HDRI folder, and drag its contents into the HDRI subcategory you've made. Remember, incorporating these HDRI files isn't a requisite for the Photo Studio Rig to function. Feel free to place them in any category you see fit. To craft a layout tailored for Photo Studio Rig. While this step is optional, you can easily drag the Photo Studio Rig icon to any palette of your choice. Head to Window in the primary menu, choose Customization, and then save Layout as. Assign a fitting name, and a layout choice will manifest in the top right. With this tailored layout, accessing the Photo Studio Rig becomes effortless. Simply click its icon, and you're all set. Remember, Photo Studio Rig initiates a unique Cinema 4D scene, resulting in a new document. Always save this new document with a name relevant to your project. In conclusion, should you have made your personal database, ensure its location is memorable. Stay tuned for additional tutorials centered around the utility of Photo Studio Rig. Once more, thank you for your trust. Dive in, enjoy, and let creativity flow with Photo Studio Rig.